I figured since I'm here by myself at 2 in the morning and doing this anyway, I might as well make videos for those of you who may one day want to learn how to not build an engine, I guess, since this is the second time I'm doing it. Anyway, this is the right side case half. You can see it's already been cleaned up with the purple power or whatever stuff and blown out with air and water and all that stuff. I still have not applied any lube or Permatex or anything, but I'm going to prep it in a minute to get it ready to go on to this case half, which as far as I can tell is ready to go. Today when I went to V Parts, I picked up all new rod bearings and a whole gasket kit and new camshaft bearings, since I wanted to rule those out as a possibility of the noise. I modified my engine stand to get that to so I could mount the crank on here and put it all together. I did plastic gauge the rods, and they're the right size. They're the right size rod bearings, and all the journals for the rods measured the same with a pair of calipers. So I think we can rule out machine shop stuff or wrong parts as the cause of the noise, since they seem to be fine. The rod bearings themselves look okay. I mean, considering they only ran, a few seconds or a couple minutes. But just to be safe, I replaced them anyway. That's all I got for you guys right now. Let's prep the case and the other case half, and then put it together.